Hi Chookies, Sherilyn Barnes here. I'm going to do another cover for you because I've done two before and you guys really like them. We've got your Lady Gaga, Do What You Want to My Body, and we've got All I Want for Christmas by Mariah Carey. And I did those two songs. You know, I'm not the best singer in the world, but lots of you seem to enjoy them, so I'm going to do another song for you. It's a song by Robbie Nevil, and it's called Just Like You. Just the same. And we used to play it for Des when she was a little girl. And I remember one time we were driving up to Queensland with Terry because he had to do a delivery, and I said, we should all go as a family. You know, we packed Des in the truck, we went up with him, and we always used to play this song for her. So I'm going to have a go at it, and let's see how we feel about it. Just like you, I want to be just like you. I wanna be just like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just like you. I wanna be. Stop it there. Yeah, so there's the song Just Like You by Robbie Nevil. So if you want me to cover some other kind of song, leave it in the comments below and I'll see if I can sing it. I might not be able to sing it, but if I can sing it for you, I'll do a video of it. You know, I'm not the best singer in the world. I just can't sing everything. We'll leave it at that. You can add me on my Facebook site, and that's www.facebook.com/SherilynBarnesAU for Australia. And you can add me on my Twitch site, and that's @SherilynBarnes. #JustLikeYou. And you can also add my Instagram site, @SherilynBarnes. Make sure you favourite this, you like, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel and spread it around so everyone learns all about me and then they can see other videos I've done as well. Alright, let's leave it at that. Ciao for now, Chookies.